everyone, Tsai here. So in this video, I want to share with you how you can start your own self-hosted WordPress site even though you are not techie. So sometimes I get questions like, hey Nick, I do want to start my own WordPress website, but I don't want to deal with those DNS, MySQL, things like that. Sure, I get you. That's why I want to recommend you a quick, easy way for you to get started. So this website is called myfirst.pblog.com. You can go to myfirst.pblog.com and you can see like the screen like that. So all you have to do is you type in the domain name you want. So as you can see, you get a free domain here. If you want to use your own domain, you can add it later. But all you have to do is you give it a name, right? So you maybe type in maybe Nick Tsai and maybe 123, maybe. So it will check and say, oh, it's available. So all you have to do is click on build my free website. Then the next step is you want to create your account. So it will ask you to actually just type in your email and create an account. After you set up your account, you will get a welcome notification from the founder. So this platform is actually a platform teach you how to do affiliate marketing, but you can use it as a WordPress blog hosting because you can host over 50 blogs under their service, and you get support, you get a community, and you also get trainings. So they will teach you how to monetize your WordPress blog using affiliate marketing. You can just blog here, but you can also learn some cool stuff because it's really great if you can make money and blogging at the same time, right? So then you can skip the training here. Then we want to go, all you have to do is want to go to our website. Then you want to click on build a website, right? Then you can choose to use free domain, or you can use to use a domain you owned. But this one is for people who paid to join. So you can decide if you want to pay for that, but you can play with your free domain first, then you upgrade and you migrate all the things to your paid domain. So we click on the free domain. So we just use the same domain name here, and you click on your name or everything. Then you click on build my website. So it may take some time to build it, but after it's built, you can start playing with that. So that's also a way for me to recommend everyone, if they want to learn WordPress, they don't really have to buy a domain first. They can just play with that and see if WordPress is the right fit for them. So then you can click on login now. So everything is built for you right now. As you can see right now, we are at the dashboard, so you can see everything there, right? So that's how you can start your own WordPress blog without worrying about all the technical stuff. So I hope you enjoyed that. Be sure to go to myfirst.pblog.com. I will see you soon in the next video.